XCMG XGC 88000. Here we have a crawler crane from the Chinese manufacturer XCMG, capable of working even with heavy loads for a long time. First of all, when you look at the XGC 88000, you notice the unusual shape of the guy wire and fastening of the boom. The manufacturer claims that this design significantly increases reliability and safety. In 2012, it was this machine that set the world record for weightlifting. During the test, the vehicle lifted a weight of 4,500 tons to a height of 60 meters. After 20 minutes, the load was placed in the exact place, which marked the success of the test. This makes the XGC 88000 one of the largest forklift machines in the world. It has also been specifically designed for the needs of the petrochemical, oil, and nuclear industries. In addition to the load capacity, it has an excellent performance characteristics. Liebherr LTM 11200 9.1. This is another mobile crane which has some of the best features in its class. Until 2015, the self-propelled Liebherr LTM 11200 9.1 had the world's longest jib crane. Its record was beaten, but it's still a crane of incredible size, capable of lifting loads up to 1,200 tons. In spite of its size, it stands out for its mobility. It develops speeds of up to 75 km per hour. The weight in the transport position is 96 tons. It performs operations with a counterweight of 202 tons, and the telescopic boom extends over a distance of 18.9 to 100 meters. It's possible to work with additional equipment, for example, an extension cable of between 24 and 48 meters in length. The manufacturer took care of the safety of the work with the LTM 11200 9.1, so the crane is equipped with a system for limiting the load capacity, a system for testing the operability of the units, as well as safety and shutoff valves. Liebherr LR 1400-2. The feature that distinguishes this crane from many others is its multifunctional boom system. The LR 1400-2 from the German company Liebherr has an extremely high load capacity of up to 400 tons thanks to the hydraulic guide frame. Installation is quick and easy, and transporting crane components is very economical. The maximum height of the load is 164 meters. It can be equipped with a latticed extension whose length varies from 28 to 91 meters. The weight of the central ballast is 43 tons, while the mass of the counterweight of the turntable is 155 tons. The minimum indicator of the main arm exit is 21 meters, and the maximum is up to 119 meters. The manufacturer states that the crawler cranes of the LR series are unique in their class, with outstanding load carrying capacity in the working area, and are compact and easy to transport. Mammoet PTC 200DS. The company Mammoet, based in the Netherlands, produces giant ring cranes. Their task is to increase the overall efficiency of the construction site and even perform complex construction tasks in a short time. The PTC 200DS is used in situations where it's necessary to lift and move very heavy or large loads. Another area of application is the movement of cargo in conditions of limited space. The enormous load capacity of up to 5,000 tons is combined with mobility, a large working area, and a flexible configuration. It has a double ring base, which from 30 meters expands to 41. The maximum lifting height of the load is 54 meters. It takes approximately 3 to 6 weeks to prepare this ring crane for work on the construction site. Liebherr LR 13000. Here's another crawler crane from the world-famous Liebherr machine manufacturer. The LR13000 is the most powerful crane in the world with a traditional design. It is recommended for use in power plant construction sites and the oil refining industry, when large loads need to be lifted. The maximum lifting capacity of the machine is 3,000 tons, and the maximum lifting height is 245 meters. The working range of the boom is 60 to 144 meters. To this, you can add the length of the extension, which is selected according to the task. It can be 18 or 126 meters long. To safely lift really large loads, the crane is equipped with a central ballast that weighs 150 tons. The counterweight of the turntable is increased to 750 tons, which allows to avoid the use of ballast from the rig. Liebherr LR1500. This crawler crane with a load capacity of 500 tons can be really economical. Unlike many other similar vehicles, this one differs in its compact size, so there will be no transport problems anywhere in the world. The range of the main arm varies from 36 to 138 meters. The width of the track is only 7.6 meters, and the width of the standard track is 1.5 meters, which reduces the pressure on the ground. For a wider range of tasks, the crane is equipped with a grid-shaped extension cable up to 84 meters long. The weight of the central ballast is 40 tons, and the total ballast weight is 490 tons. The vehicle is maneuverable, reliable, with convenient modern control, and of course absolutely safe. An interesting feature of this vehicle is its closed hydraulic circuits, which adds smoothness at the start of movement and increases the speed of individual functions. Terex AC1000. One of the most powerful telescopic cranes in the world has been produced by the German company Terex Demag. This is the Terex AC1000 with a maximum load capacity of 1,000 tons. The total length of the vehicle is 22.48 meters, while the chassis length is 17.15 meters. The crane moves independently, reaching up to 80 kilometers per hour. For work, it must be equipped with a ballast, a rear mast, and telescopic sections, which are usually transported in a separate truck. The Daimler diesel engine has a capacity of 653 horsepower, and the fuel tank capacity is up to 800 liters. The boom has 4 sections. The maximum lifting height is 172 meters. It should be noted that this vehicle can be used with a variety of extensions, ranging in length from 12 to 128 meters. Liebherr LR11350. Here we have a crane that sets new productivity standards among vehicles over 1,000 tons. The load capacity in the working area is 1,350 tons. Assembly is quick, and the transport of the crane components is simple. The Liebherr LR11350 has a very flexible configuration thanks to several rifle systems. The maximum lifting height of the load is 196 meters, and the maximum reach of the boom is 140 meters. Like other crawler cranes, the Liebherr LR11350 can be equipped with a grid extension, the length of which reaches 114 meters when performing individual tasks. Transported in disassembled condition, its weight is 432 tons. The central ballast weighs 30 tons, consisting of 4 plates, each of 7.5 tons. The Cummins engine has a capacity of 872 horsepower. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.